In this video, I'll be showing you some basic ways to work with strings in text plays. A string is a sequence of characters. These may include letters and numbers. Here's an example. If I just insert this snippet, text plays will reproduce it as it is. However, text plays features loads of functions and commands for working with strings. Let's start with a few simple ones. I want to capitalize the whole sentence. For this, I can use the function called upper. Now, the snippet inserts my sentence in uppercase. If I want the whole sentence in lowercase, I can use the same syntax but replace upper with lower. Proper gives me my string in title case. Let's take a step back for a moment. Text functions can also be used with variables. Let's create a form text command and give it the name text. I'm also going to add a string as a default value. Now, anything I type inside this text field is placed inside the variable called text, which I can then use with functions such as the ones demonstrated in this video. Another handy function is replace. I'm going to use the replace function to change every instance of the word pink to green, with apologies to any Aerosmith fans out there. These functions can also work with the contents of your computer's clipboard. For this, you need to replace the variable name with the clipboard command. Here's what happens when I copy some text into my clipboard and then insert my snippet. These are some of the most basic functions available on text plays, but there's a lot more that you can do. To learn more, please watch the next video in this series.